Hello everyone, good morning. Myself Sunil Kumar Shah and you are watching MedicoPharma Lecture. Today we are going to continue the second lecture on Human Anatomy and Physiology for medical, pharmacy and nursing student. During this lecture we will discuss about various level of structural organization, right? Okay. But before that, let me introduce other participant of today's lecture through this conversation. Hello everyone, good morning. Hope everyone is fine. Now let me introduce other participant of today's lecture. So please welcome my virtual assistant Sufia and my virtual student Alice.
Hello, sir. Hello, everyone. Good morning. I'm Alice and I will be joining for this HAP lecture with you all.
Hello there. Good morning. I'm Sophia and I am a virtual assistant for HAP lecture.
Dear all, I heard that Alice is having some doubt related to HAP and she wants to clarify it. So let's begin our lecture with her conversation. Okay?
Hello, sir. Can I ask you a question, please?
Hello Alice. Sure, please ask.
Thank you, sir. My question is like whether we are made up of cells or atoms and molecules? I am little bit confused because my chemistry teacher told that everything is made up of atoms and molecules. And biology teacher taught me we are made up of cells. So, which one is correct?
Actually, both are right, Alice. We will discuss these things in the next topic, which is on various level of structural organization. Okay? As you know that everything in this universe is made up of atom, right? So we are also the part of universe, hence we are also made up of what? Atoms. Okay? But not all atom. Few atoms are there which are present in our body, right? So these atoms are joined together to form molecules like DNA, RNA, proteins, lipids, carbohydrates, right? So this is called as chemical level of structural organization, okay? And it is the first level of organization, right? Now these molecules like DNA, RNA, lipid, protein, carbohydrates, these are joined together to form various cells, right? And this cell is called as cellular level of structural organization, and this one is the second level of structural organization, right? Now you know that various cells will combine together to perform a specific function, right? That is called as what? Tissue, and this is called as tissue level of structural organization, which is the third level, right? Okay. So hope you people have understood this, right? Okay. As we know that the various tissues which is having similar function, okay, they will join together to form a specific shape, that is called as what? Organ. So this level is called as what? Organ level, and this one is fourth level in this structural organization, right? Okay. So these organs which are having common function or related organs which are going to perform a common functions, together they will form a system, right? And is called as system level of structural organization. This is the fifth level of structural organization, right? In this way, various systems are formed in our body and they will combine together to form an organism, which is called as organismal level of structural organization, right? So this is the sixth level of structural organization. Hope you have understood this. Okay. Now we'll summarize various level of structural organization one by one, and for this a genie is going to come and help us. Okay, so the first level is chemical level, where we are made up of what? Atoms and molecules, and these atoms and molecules will combine together to form cellular level, and various cells will combine together to form tissues, and that is called as what? Tissue level. And various tissues having similar functions are combined together to form a organ, and you know that various groups of organ which is going to perform a specific or common function, they will combine together to form system level, and various systems will join together to form an organism, which is called as what? Organismal level, right? Now, coming back to Alice's question. So, her chemistry teacher has told that we are made up of atoms and molecules. So, she was right because she was talking about chemical level of structural organization. But when she was in biology class, then her biology teacher taught that we are made up of what? Cells. So she was also right because she was talking about cellular level of structural organization. That is why both are correct because both are talking about different level of structural organization, right? Hope I have answered Alice's question. So let's ask with her. Hello Alice. Hope I have answered your question, Alice.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. And now I am very much clear about various levels of structural organization of our body. However, I wanna know little bit more about body systems. So, could you please explain body system for me in brief?
Sure Alice, but we will discuss about various body system in next upcoming lecture, right? Okay. So now it's time for quiz. So let me request Sufia for posting the quiz. Hello Sufia, can you please post the quiz?
Sure, sir. I will post the quiz. Our body is made up of cells or molecules? And the options are option A cells only, option B molecules only, option C answer A and B, option D none of above.
So guys, the options are in front of you and your timer is started.
My answer is option A, cells only.
So Alice has come with her answer and time's up. So guys, please pause the video over here and mention your answer under comment section, right? So that I will also come to know. Now it's time for knowing the correct answer, and answer is option C. That is, we are made up of atoms also and we are made up of cells also. Okay? Because both are two different level of structural organization. With this, we came to the end of this lecture, and if you have still any question or query, you can post it under comment section and I will reply it as soon as possible from my side. Okay? So thank you very much guys, and thanks for being with MedicoPharma Lecture. Please subscribe our channel and provide a feedback. Thank you very much. Bye bye. See you soon in the next lecture.